Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am fixing an Apple Watch Series 5 44mm with a broken display. Let's replace the screen step by step. First step, power off the watch. Make sure the watch is completely powered off before starting the repair. Second step, heat the display. Now gently heat the display screen using a heat gun. Don't overheat it. Medium heat for above 1 to 2 minutes is enough for soft the adhesive. Open the screen like a book. Lift like a screen from the left side and open it like a book. Next, remove the metal shield slowly. Now disconnect the cables. One of the OLED screen and another one is for the digitizer and another one is for the sensor. So disconnect the three cables. And after removing all these, prepare for a new screen and clean the old frame. Connect the flexes to the new screen and add it to the glue and attach it. Then turn on the watch and test everything. Touch, display, force touch and switch and tap the all buttons.